Introducing DIGIIDROBE, an intelligent device that automates your wardrobe. DIGIIDROBE, or Digital Intelligent Wardrobe, is a patent-pending smart IoT device designed to manage your wardrobe or items in your house using machine learning. This hardware is a plug-and-play device that only weighs 11 ounces. Crafted with a mindset of simplicity, this product is designed small and light so you can place it conveniently anywhere inside or near your wardrobe. Did you ever go looking through your wardrobe and find yourself wondering where you got all this stuff? Have you been wearing the same style for the past 10 years just because you were clueless about how to assemble items from your wardrobe? Have you ever looked at your wardrobe and felt that your clothes were outdated? Or surprised that you still have clothes in your wardrobe that you have not worn for 3 years? Based on insights from Alliance data, 25% of Americans have clothing and accessories worth between $1,000 and nearly $2,500 in their wardrobe, while a close second, 23%, reported their closets being worth up to $5,000. And yet, according to the Wall Street Journal, on a regular basis, people only wore 20% of their clothes from their closet. That's a lot of surplus just sitting in your wardrobe. With DIGIIDROBE, you can maximize your wardrobe. This technology enables you to organize your wardrobe better, list items from your closet so you know what you have and what you don't need, show item usage frequency, spot items' locations, review wardrobe value, assist travel packing, and more. Our system works by collecting your activity data monitored by DIGIIDROBE hardware and feeds this into our machine learning and algorithm program. This collected data from DIGIIDROBE, combined with your user profile from application, will enable our smart device to study your personality and individual habits. Mapping your personal habits and daily activity data with latest news on trend, weather forecast, and your calendar outlook, DIGIIDROBE will be able to generate your daily personalized solution. Personalized solutions include, but are not limited to, daily outfit suggestions, assist in travel packing based on durations and destinations, suggest actions on items that are not being used anymore or need to be replaced, provide statistic report on your wardrobe activities from monetary value, usage percentage of your items, and temperature and humidity alert. You can even share your wardrobe with your friends and family. Hi Alexa, what should I wear today?
Looks like you have a busy day in your calendar. You have one meeting in the morning. Weather will be warm with temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. Suggestion to wear light breathable dress today.
DIGIIDROBE mobile application can be used with or without the hardware. To access the full benefit, you need to have both so you can have an all-out experience of an automated wardrobe. Inserting items information into your mobile application is also designed with a minimalism mindset. If your items already have an RFID built in from the factory, you just simply need to store your clothes in your wardrobe. DIGIIDROBE hardware will automatically detect it. DIGIIDROBE app will show a notification that you have one new item in your wardrobe. Confirm it and you are all set. All the item information will automatically upload into your application. You don't have to worry if there's no RFID tag in your items. We have RFID tags ready in stock to buy, and you can do the step manually.